Hello everyone. For those interested in knowing how to solve this PSLE question, let me share with you how this can be done. So there are two persons involved in this question, Helen and Ivan. Both of them had the same number of coins. Helen had an unknown number of 50-cent coins and 64 20-cent coins. And the total mass of this coin by Helen add up to 1.134 kg. Ivan had an unknown number of 50-cent coin and 104 20-cent coin. So for part A of the question, we have to find out who has more money and by how much. For part B of the question, given that each 50-cent coin is 2.7 grams heavier than a 20-cent coin, what is the mass of Ivan's coin in kilograms? This question can be represented by the diagram below. So Helen have an unknown number of 50-cent coin and 64 20-cent coin. And this add up to a mass of this, 1.134 kg. Ivan had an unknown number of 50-cent coin and 104 20-cent coin. Let us solve the first part of A. Who has more money? From the diagram here, we can see that Ivan have 104 20-cent coin and Helen has 64 20-cent coin. So Ivan would have 104 minus 64, which is 40 more 20-cent coin than Helen. As both of them have the same amount of coin, this means that Helen would have 40 more 50-cent coin than Ivan. As the value of 50-cent coin is greater than the value of 20-cent coin, this means that Helen would have more money than Ivan. Let us solve the second part of part A. From the previous part, we know that Ivan have 40 more 20-cent coin than Helen, and Helen has 40 more 50-cent coin than Ivan. Then this can be represented by the diagram here. So as both of them have the same number of coins, the length will be the same. So we see Helen is represented by the bar above. Ivan will be represented by the bar below. So Helen has 64 20-cent, and this is corresponded with 64 20-cent that Ivan had. But Ivan would have 40 more 20-cent coin, and Helen would have 40 more 50-cent coin. And the unknown number of 50-cent coin that Helen have here in the gray portion is the same as that in the gray portion that Ivan have. So in order to find how much difference do they have in total, we have to see the orange part. So to find the orange part, we have to take the difference in the individual coin, which is 50 cent minus 20 cent, we get 30 cent. 30 cent times the number of coin, which is 40, we get $12. So Helen would have $12 more than Ivan. Let us see part B of the question. Given that each 50-cent coin is 2.7 grams heavier than a 20-cent coin, find the mass of Ivan coin. So from the previous question, we know that Ivan has 40 more 20-cent coin than Helen, and Helen has 40 more 50-cent coin than Ivan. The difference in the number of coin is 40. So each of the coin have a difference of 2.7 grams. So in order to find the total difference in the mass of the coin, we take 2.7 grams times the number of coin, we get 108 gram. And we convert this into kilograms by dividing it by 1000. Then we get 0.108 kg. So in order to find the mass of Ivan coin, we take the mass of Helen coin minus the difference in the mass. Then we get Ivan's coin mass as 1.026 kg.